Hello students, let's read this question. Find the zeros of the following quadratic polynomials and verify the relation between the zeros and the coefficients. So, as we know, if we have quadratic equation as ax square plus bx plus c, then we know that the sum of zeros is equals to minus of coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x square. That means it should be minus b by a. Similarly, we know that the product of zeros is constant term divided by coefficient of x square. That means it should be equals to c by a. So let's use these identities here. First, we have given that x square minus 2x minus 8. So if we factor this, for factorizing this, we can write this as x square minus 4x plus 2x minus 8. If we take x common, inside we get x minus 4. If we take plus 2 common, inside we get x minus 4. So the factors will be x minus 4 and x plus 2. So the zeros of this polynomial will be 4 comma minus 2. So let's verify this. We know that the sum of zeros is equals to minus b by a. That means sum of zeros is 4 plus minus 2 and minus b by a is minus b is minus 2 and a is 1. So this side will be, we get 2 and this side we get 2. So this is true. Let's check for product of zeros, which is equals to c by a. Product of zeros is 4 into minus 2 and c is minus 8 by a is 1. So this will be minus 8 is equals to minus 8. So this way we have verified the relation between zeros and coefficients. Now move on to the second one, that is 4s square minus 4s plus 1. We can write this as 4s square minus 2s minus 2s plus 1. We can take 2s common. Inside we get 2s minus 1. If we take minus 1 common, inside we get 2s minus 1. So the factors will be 2s minus 1 and 2s minus 1. So the zeros will be 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So let's verify them. Sum of zeros is minus b by a. Sum of zeros mean 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. It should be equals to minus of minus 4 by 4. So this side we get half and half will be 1, and this side we get 1. So this has verified. Again, product of zeros will be c by a. Product of the zeros mean 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, and c by a is 1 by 4. So this is again verified that 1 by 4 is equals to 1 by 4. Move on to the third one, that is 6x square minus 3 minus 7x. So we can write this as 6x square minus 7x minus 7x minus 3. Again we can write this as 6x square minus 9x plus 2x minus 3. Now we can take 3x common inside, we get 2x minus 3. If we take 1 common, we get 2x minus 3. So the factors will be 2x minus 3 and 3x plus 1. That means zeros are minus 1 by 3 and 3 by 2. So let's verify them. Sum of zeros is minus b by a. Sum of zeros means minus 1 by 3 plus 3 by 2. It should be equals to minus of minus 3 by 6. This cut by 2 times. So this side we get b is 7 minus 7 and a is 6. So this side we get 6. This will be minus 2 plus this will be 9. So this will be equals to 7 by 6. So this will give us the value as 7 by 6 is equals to 7 by 6. Now checking for product of zeros, which is equals to c by a. Here the c is minus 3 and a is 6. So putting minus 3 and 6, and product will be minus 1 by 3 and 3 by 2. So this side we get minus 1 by 2, and this side we also get minus 1 by 2. So this way we have verified this. Now move on to the fourth one, that is 4u square plus 8u. We can write this as, we can take common 4u. Inside we get u plus 2. So this will give us the zeros as 0 comma minus 2. Verifying this, sum of zeros is minus b by a minus b is 8 and a is 4 cut by 2 times, and sum is 0 plus minus 2. So this side we get minus 2 and this side we also get minus 2. Now move on to the second part, that is product of zeros. It is c by a. C is 0 and a is 4. This side we get 0 multiplied by minus 2. So this side we get 0, this side we also get 0. So we have verified this. Now move on to the fifth one, that is t square minus 15. So if this is equals to 0, then t square will be 15. So from here we get 2 roots of t as plus minus under root 15. So the zeros are plus root 15 and minus root 15. So the sum of zeros will be minus b by a. B is 0 and a is 1. This side it will be minus root 15 plus root 15. This side will be 0 and this side will also be 0. So move on to the second part, that is product of zeros. This will be c by a. C is minus 15 and a is 1, and this side will be minus root 15 into plus root 15. So this will give us the value as minus 15. This will give us the value as minus 15. So we have verified this. Now move on to the sixth one, that is 3x square minus x minus 4. We can write this as 3x square minus 4x plus 3x minus 4, so that we can take common x and inside we get 3x minus 4. Again, if we take one common inside we get 3x minus 4. So this will give us the factors as x plus 1 and 3x minus 4. So the zeros will be minus 1 and 4 by 3. So the sum of zeros will be minus b by a, and minus b is minus of minus 1 and a is 3. Again, sum will be minus 1 plus 4 by 3. So this will be 3. This will be minus 3 plus 4 is equals to 1 by 3. So this will give us the value as 1 by 3 is equals to 1 by 3. Move on to the second part, that is product of zeros. It will be c by a, and c is minus 4 and a is 3, and product of zeros will be 4 by 3 multiplied by minus 1. So this will be minus 4 by 3 is equals to minus 4 by 3. So this way we have found out the zeros of the following quadratic polynomials and verified the relation between zeros and the coefficient. Hope you understand it well. Thank you.